Hello, this is Instant Registrar iRgx installation. Let's locate and click on iRgx HYBX EXT release 2026 in your download folder. Here it is in my machine C drive SRC iRgx HYBX release 2026. Clicking on zipped file, I have got iRgx HYBX EXT image and the setup program, the application. Let's click on setup. In my machine, it is taking a few seconds. Maybe it will be faster in your machine. Welcome to the iRgx HYBX EXT setup wizard. The installer will guide you through the steps required to install iRgx HYBX EXT on your computer. Click on Next. Select Installation folder. Here you need to select Program Files and the / up to Akhtar and clear Program Files / as it is. Now the required folder is C:\Akhtar /iRgx HYBX EXT. This option either for everyone or just me, where it is just me. Next, proceed. Next. Confirm installation. The installer is ready to install iRgx HYBX EXT on your computer. Click Next to start the installation. Installing iRgx HYBX EXT. User access control. Click on Yes. Installation complete. iRgx HYBX EXT has been successfully installed. Click Close to exit.